Once in a peaceful village, there lived a tiny baby bird named Chiku. One day, Chiku saw a very weak little plant bending in the wind.
Little plant, why are you so weak? No one gives me water, and the hot sun hurts me.
I will protect you. I will help you grow strong.
Every day, Chiku brought fresh water from a nearby pond. She chased away animals and protected the little plant from harm. When the sun was too hot, she covered it with her tiny wings. A few days later, the weak plant turned strong, green, and beautiful.
Chiku, your love and care made me strong. Thank you so much for your love.
And from that day, Chiku knew anything can grow strong with love, care, and kindness.